Most people assume modern banks either have flashy apps with little value or old-school services without innovation. Elite Edge Banking in 2026 proves both assumptions wrong. Elite Edge offers competitive checking and savings accounts with interest rates that reward consistent balances. Small, regular deposits can grow faster than many realize, thanks to tiered interest and compound growth. The app also allows multiple financial goals, helping you allocate funds for short-term and long-term priorities efficiently. One standout feature is predictive insights. Elite Edge monitors spending habits and upcoming bills, then provides actionable recommendations to avoid overdrafts for late payments. Real-time notifications and visual dashboards make tracking progress intuitive and motivating. Most users underestimate how much seeing their financial progress can boost positive money habits. Security is strong, with multi-factor authentication, encryption, and fraud monitoring. Customer service is easily accessible via chat, phone, or email. Limitations include minimal investment options. If you want to grow wealth aggressively, you'll need additional platforms. But for everyday banking, savings, and intelligent money management, Elite Edge is an excellent choice. So, is Elite Edge Banking worth it in 2026? Absolutely, especially if you want a secure, modern banking experience that actively helps you manage and grow your money. Subscribe for more reviews to stay ahead of your financial game.